Welcome. In this video, we'll explore Amazon Brand Registry, a powerful tool for brand owners looking to protect their intellectual property and boost their business on Amazon. Whether you're just starting out or looking to strengthen your brand's presence, understanding Brand Registry is essential. We'll walk through the eligibility requirements, step-by-step registration process, and the benefits you'll gain. Let's dive in and see how you can leverage this program to safeguard your brand and drive growth on the Amazon platform. Amazon Brand Registry offers a wide array of advantages for brand owners. It's not just about protecting your intellectual property, it's also about enhancing your brand presence and driving business growth. With Brand Registry, you gain access to powerful tools that help you control your listings, prevent counterfeiters, and build customer trust. These benefits can translate directly into increased sales and a stronger reputation on Amazon. Let's look at what you need to get started. Before you can enroll in Amazon Brand Registry, your brand must meet certain eligibility criteria. You'll need an active registered trademark or a pending trademark application for your brand name or logo, issued by a recognized government intellectual property office. Amazon also considers brands with pending trademark registrations through its IP Accelerator program. Meeting these requirements is the first step toward protecting your brand and unlocking the full suite of brand registry benefits. Register your brand, you'll need a few essentials: an active Amazon Seller Central account, a registered or pending trademark, and all the necessary brand and product information. You'll also need details about your manufacturing and distribution processes. Make sure you have these documents and details ready before you begin the application process. This preparation will help ensure a smooth and successful registration experience. Once you're ready, log in to your Amazon Brand Registry account using your Seller Central credentials. This step connects your brand registry application to your existing Amazon seller profile, making the process seamless. After logging in, you'll be able to access the brand registry dashboard and begin the enrollment process for your brand. On your dashboard, click Enroll a new brand. You'll be prompted to select whether you have a pending or registered trademark. This is the official start of your application. Selecting the correct option ensures that Amazon processes your application according to your trademark status, so double-check before proceeding. Now, enter your brand name, the trademark office where it's registered, your registration or serial number, and the country of registration. It's crucial that this information matches your official trademark documents exactly. Any discrepancies could delay your application, so take your time and double-check every detail before moving forward. Next, you'll need to upload images of your products and packaging that clearly display your brand logo. These images help Amazon verify your brand's authenticity and ensure that your trademark is being used correctly. Make sure the images are clear, high quality, and show your logo prominently on both the product and its packaging. When uploading packaging images, make sure your brand logo is clearly visible and matches the trademark documents. Amazon uses these images to confirm that your products are genuine and that your branding is consistent. If your packaging varies, upload images of each type to avoid delays in the verification process. If you have several products under your brand, upload images for each one. This helps Amazon verify the full scope of your brand and ensures that all your products are covered under the brand registry. The more comprehensive your image submissions, the smoother your application process will be. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've entered. Check for accuracy and completeness. Mistakes or missing details can slow down the approval process. Take a moment to double-check your brand name, trademark details, and uploaded images. Once you're confident everything is correct, you're ready to move on. This is your last chance to make sure everything is perfect. Double-check your trademark registration number, the country of registration, and that your images are clear and accurate. Taking the time to review now can save you from headaches later on. Once you're sure, you're ready to submit. When you're ready, click the Submit button to register your brand. This sends your application to Amazon for review. You'll receive a confirmation email letting you know that your application has been received. Now, it's time to wait for the next steps from Amazon. After submitting your enrollment form, Amazon will send you an email containing a verification code. This code is essential for the next step in the process. Keep an eye on your inbox and make sure you have access to the email address associated with your Seller Central account. Log back into your Amazon Brand Registry account and navigate to the case log. This is where you'll manage your application and communicate with Amazon's support team if needed. The case log helps you track your application status and respond to any requests from Amazon. In the case log, find the relevant case for your brand application. Click View or Respond to open the case details. Here, you'll be able to reply directly to Amazon and provide any additional information they request, including your verification code. Click Reply in the case log and enter your verification code from the email. This step is crucial for Amazon to confirm your identity and complete the brand registration process. Make sure you enter the code accurately to avoid any delays. Once you've submitted your verification code, Amazon will review your case. This review process may take a few days. Amazon will check all the information you've provided, including your trademark details and product images, to ensure everything is in order. If everything checks out, Amazon will approve your brand registry application. You'll receive a confirmation email, and your brand will now be officially registered on Amazon. This unlocks a suite of tools and protections designed to help you grow your business and protect your brand. With your brand registered, you gain access to enhanced brand protection, advanced reporting tools, and the ability to control your product listings. These features help you prevent counterfeiting, monitor your brand's performance, and build a stronger presence on Amazon. Take advantage of these tools to maximize your brand's potential. Wrap up, Amazon Brand Registry is a valuable resource for any brand owner selling on Amazon. By following the step-by-step process, preparing your documents, submitting your application, and completing verification, you can protect your intellectual property and unlock new growth opportunities. Remember to keep your trademark information up to date and use all the tools Amazon provides to stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your brand journey.